God is true. Is still. Paksa. Is still. Ribban morning. Sulatun is still. Yang buat sa iyo. Tuwan-tuwa si Kevin Garay. Ethan, take shot. Ball. Ten to shoot. Still on it. That's room. Struggling. Ethan to morning. Caroline. 3. Young bot to Yawa. Still in the garage with a horsepower. Pass to Steve. Garage, 10 to shoot. Baksa, drop, take shot. Ethan. Single, 14 to shoot. That's good. Shot. Divided by Garay. 3 horsepower. Pass jersey number 19. To Young Bot. He's still. Hermo Hennes. Ginawa kayo po. Hermo Hennes. Pass to Ethan. 10 to shoot.
Set na.
Big shot. Rebounded by Young Bot.
Naka-score ko ra.
William Arboleda dribbling the ball. Arboleda. Big shot. Pass to Young Bot. Areco. Rebounded by Ethan. Pass to Morning. William Arboleda. Pass to Ethan. Basket. Outside. Same ball. Rivera. Out of bounds. Violet ball. Ethan. Ethan, take 3. Rebounded by Rivera. Garay. Baksal. To Garay with a horsepower basket.
Ano yun, no? Horsepower?
Morning. Run. Colin. Outside. 5-minute rule, 5-minute subdivision. Hold the ball, Red. Hold the ball. Eleven. Backcourt violation. Mike Smith inbounding the ball. Pass to Cabaltera. Rebounded by Pereira. Pereira. Harassed by Cabaltera. Morning to Ethan. Thinking green. Ethan. Rebounded by Bulgarik. Still Morning. Pass to a Trun. To Pereira. Intercepted. Intercepted by Bulgarik. Easy two. Pereira to a Trun. Colin. Colin to a Trun. A Trun. Steal. Cabaltera. Lays up. Bulgarik. Bolete. Basket. Nagulat si Bulgarik. Ethan. Pass to a Trun. Rebounded by Cabaltera. Cabaltera. To jersey number 21. Wala. Cabaltera. Basket. Rebounded by Bolete. To Bulgarik. Bulgarik. Pass to Mike Smith. Spin. Mike Smith. Lasares. Basket. Ethan. Pass to a Trun. Back to Ethan. Cabaltera. Cabaltera lays up.
Ginagawa mo.
There is a result. First personal foul on Bulgarik. First team foul. Ethan. Ethan takes shot. Lasares. Pass to Bulgarik. To Cabaltera. Take shot. Waling. Rebounded by Pereira. Basket. Bulgarik take shot. Rebound by Cabalchera. Cabalchera, take shot. Perea. Perea. Basket. Bulari. Mike Smith, pass to Losares, drag to kick. Wala. Basket now. On the ball. Pass to Hermanes to Perea. Perea for three. Good on Hermanes. Hermanes. Drops it through. Rebounded by Garay. Ibulawi stays up. Basket. Hermanes for three. Hermanes for three. Baksa, trap to Garay. Ten to shoot. Bulawi. Rivera, 5 to shoot. Lays up.
Ay, sayang.
Rebounded by Garay. Basket. Perez. Hermanes. Big shot. Rebound by Hermanes again. Still Bulawi to Garay. Garay to Bulawi. Shot. Rebounded by Garay. With a horsepower.
Ano yun na horsepower?
Ethan.
Yun na horsepower.
Pagito. Pass to Bulawi. Number 7, take shot. Rebounded by Garay.
Ang galing.
Basket. Time out. 8 by Davidson. Pagito. Hermanes. Big shot. Basket by Cruz. Bulawi. Baksa. Rebounded by Cruz. To Perea. Hermanes. Basket. Baksa.
Hoy.
Perea. Lays up. Basket. Baksa. Lays up. Basket. Ethan.
Shot.
Pabito to Ethan. To Cruz.
Tara, ilalim ka na, si Gerald sa taas. Oo.
Bulawit.
Sayang.
Hermanes. Take 3. Yang Mot. Waksa, drag to the right. Basket. Fabito. Bulawit. Lays out, basket. Pereira. Outside. Substitution. Burton ball. Babalcera.
Nice.
Basket on jersey number 19. Osorio. Hermanes to Pereira. 10 to shoot.
Mabiling! Wah!
Baba na kayo, mapapagod ka lang. Marapin mo dito lahat, dyan.
Rosales.
Hawak.
Subolete. Nabitawan. Mike Smith.
Kalahati.
First personal foul.
Kalahati lang ng katawan.
First foul.
1/2. Tungkod eh.
Rebounded by Rosales. In one move. Rosales. Babalcera.
Ay, sayang.
Out of bounds. Violet ball. Siron Bolete. Mike Smith.
Galing.
Pass to Babalcera. Herman Jimenez. Basket. Rosales.
Yun.
Basket. Atron. Isil.
Baba. Tatlo.
Osorio. Drop to Babalcera. Easy two. Hermanes. Jump. No good. Mike Smith. To Babalcera. Same ball. Rosales. Jump. Rebounded by Pereira. To a room. Burton ball. Cabalchera.
Green, yan.
Mike Flip. Bolete. Shot.
Wow!
Asrul. Good morning. Pin ball. 72. Asrul. Losares. To Cabalchera. Leads up
Galing.
Jermaine Basket.
Last shot. Last shot.
Tira.
And all person.
Mike Smith.
Losares. Still on Cabalchera. To Bulawit. Cabalchera. Shot. Basket. Assist. By Bulawit. El Pabito. To Perea Spinu. Verdad ball. Outside Verdad ball. Nice piece on Bakal to Cabalchera. Still on Bulawit. Bulawit shot. Rebounded by Perea.
Lalim.
Raise up. Rebounded by Garay with a horsepower to Baksal. Out of bounds.
To the horsepower.
El Pabito. Take shot. For two. Bulawit. Thinking three. Bulawit for three. El Pabito. Rebounded by El Pabito to Perea. Rebounded by Garay with a horsepower to Losares. Grab to Baksal. Nice assist. Ethan. To Ilan. Garay. Grab to Bulawit. Still. Cabalchera to Garay. Take shot. There's the whistle. Foul on jersey number 18, El Pabito. First personal foul First team foul, substitution. First throw, Waling. Lasares drop to Bulawi, snap. Lasares again. Rebounded by Baksal for three. Baksal for three. Ethan. To El Pavito. El Pavito with the black shirt. Still on the right. Drop to Cavantera to Bulawi. Hermo Hennes. Shot, no good. Rebound by Garay to Baksal. Baksal. Rebound by Ethan to Morning. Still on Baksal to Mr. Bulawi. Waling. Rebounded by Morning. Colin. Hermo Hennes. Garay to Cavantera. El Pavito. Still on Bulawi. Cavantera. Drop to Bulawi. There's the whistle. Foul 35. First personal foul, second personal foul. Two shots for Bulawi. First throw, basket. Substitution. Hermo Hennes. Still Baksal. To Bulawi, threes up. Basket. Pereira. Ethan. Drop to Hermo Hennes. Take shot. Basket. Arban, bad ball. Ethan. Go, Ethan, go. CD3, take shot. Rebounded by Garay. To Bulawi. Bulawi, pass to Baksal. Baksal, drop to Bulawi to Baksal. Bulawi, take shot. Basket. Foul on Pereira. First personal foul. 13 foul. Bonus shot for Baksal. Rebound again by Baksal. Drop to Garay. Pereira. To a through. Rebound. First and ball. Bulawi. CD3, Bulawi. Rebounded by Hermo Hennes. Pass to Pereira. CD3, take shot. Wala, rebounded by Rivera. Rivera. Pass for Leche. Take shot. Basket by Leche. Ethan to a through. A through to Ethan. Back to Hermione. 10 to shoot. Ten to shoot. Basket. Outside. Violet ball. Time out. 8 guys, Asian.
Yan, magala mo na lang, Jay. Para ano? Iban mo na. Sige.
Hermione. Maksal. Astorio, jump. Rebounded by Hermione. Hermione shot. Basket. Maksal dribbling the ball. Drops the ball left check. Rebounded by Hermione. Hermione brings up. 10 to shoot.
Diretso. Ako yun!
Maksal. Shooting 3. Rebound. Colin. Return. To a through. Yeah, what? Sorry. Maksal. Hermione. He's up, but there's a whistle. Foul on jersey number 7. First personal foul. 2 shots for Hermione. First try, basket.
Base kayo, black.
Last throw.
Base kayo, black.
Basket. Silvera. Yang good.
Limipit sa camera, ano? Buha na camera.
Boleh. Aray ko.
Aray ko! Gor! Pansan ko na si Hok. Gor, kamay. Gor, kamay. Mukha. Ito na mga damage yun.
Official score 64-40. Back to the ball game. Leon Garay. Bulawit.
Aray ko.
Leon Bulawit to Garay to Los Sales. Turan. Hermione. Pereira to El Pabito. 2 point. Tatalon. Silon Cabaltera to Bulawi. Sa kanya ko nagpapas. Hermione. Ethan. Bolete. To Cabaltera. El Patito. Basket. Cabaltera. Tubulari. Asik. Arbang. Bolete. El Pabito, raise up. Rebounded on Garay. With a horsepower. Garay, grab to Bulay. Ano ka pupunta yung paso? Offensive layup. Second personal foul. Still. Arbang. First and ball. Bulawit sa Boleche. Nakakatatlong assist yung Bulawit niya. Ethan. Rebounded by Garay to Boleche. Takbo na, takbo pa ron. Takbo talaga yung Garay.
Uli.
Istilang yun ang Garay.
Takbo pa ulit.
Sobrang bilis, iwanan. El Pabito to Ethan.
Wow.
Ethan for 3. Cabaltera. Grab to Boleche. Cabaltera. Left side. Spin move. Take shot. Boleche.
Time out mo.
Foul Pabito. Bonus shot for Boleche. Garay. Time Bertrand. Bita lang. Ang laki mo dyan, Mike Kick. Ethan for 3. Mike Kick. Galing. Pinug pa. Yang bot. Rebound by Pascal. Yang bot again. Osorio. Rebound by Pereira. Basket. Rivera. Osorio. Sumiran Chris.
Pasahan mo, kasublakan mo.
Foul yang bot. Second personal foul. First team foul. Two shots for Hermogenes. First try Barangay Basket. Ang laki na siya, nice hit. Baksal. Osorio. Hudson. Colin. Winner. Colin. 82.
Nice, nice, nice. Salamin,
Check.
salamin. Nice. All out. All out. Technical.
Young bot.
Technical.
First young bot. Alay ko. Ayaw ka na.
Nice.
Astario. Iwan ba yung bot? Yung bot. Astario. Uy, warang hubay Astario Pasto Rivera. Rivera, basket. Pag-rin mo yung ginawa ni Mike Pitt na yun. Yeah, boy. Boy, three. Rivera. And one play. Hindi pala. That's 2 minutes. Mike,
Baba, Ray. Bot, baba, bot.
sino ang isa? Lisa. Mike, There.
Uy, ka-graduate ka na.
Jersey number 7. Warning for foul out. Warning penalty. Basket. Nah, throw. Two for two.
Gusto mo na yung foul.
Tapakan.
Baksal.
Nice.
Osorio. 82.
Ang galing.
Meron mo shot.
Sayang.
Iwala Rivera, Baksal. Ten to shoot. Rings up. Basket, Andrea. Mike Smith to Osorio. Pink, shot. Osorio. Okay.
Dati na, bakit pa niya?
Ang galing.
Perea for three. Congratulations, both teams. Our best player of the game, none other than no assist. The point. Wearing jersey number 1.